idli batter, I am taking 1 cup of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek. I am taking this in one vessel, and in another vessel I am taking 1 cup of raw rice. This is sona masuri raw rice. The rice which you use to make everyday meals. Sona masuri rice. So 1 cup I have taken. I'm going to wash this 3 to 4 times and then soak it in water. Similarly, I'm going to wash urad dal and the fenugreek mixture 3 to 4 times and I'm going to soak it in water. So I washed the rice and the urad dal 3 to 4 times till the water is clear like this, and I've soaked it in water. I'm going to allow it to rest for at least 3 to 4 hours. Once it rests, then I'm going to grind this separately in a mixer, and then I'm going to mix it with salt and allow it to ferment overnight. See, it is well fermented. The raw rice idli batter. Soft and fluffy. Try out this recipe and share your feedback with me. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking. And before you go, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.